Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a clock-in bot. First, navigate to your bot's administrative dashboard. Look for the time tracking or clock-in module, usually found under Settings or Integrations. Once located, initiate the setup wizard. This guided process will walk you through the initial configuration steps, ensuring a smooth start for your new time management system. It typically takes less than 5 minutes to complete these initial settings. Next, customize your clock-in workflows to match your team's needs. You can define specific procedures for clocking in and out, such as requiring a project code or a brief note. Assign appropriate roles and permissions, ensuring managers can view reports while employees can only see their own data. Consider setting up automatic reminders, perhaps 2 minutes before a shift, to help prevent missed clock-ins and maintain accurate records. Now, integrate your new bot with your existing communication platforms, like your team chat or HR system. This ensures seamless operation and accessibility for all users. Before a full rollout, conduct thorough testing with a small group, perhaps 5 to 10 pilot users, to identify any potential issues. Gather their feedback and make necessary adjustments to optimize performance and user experience, aiming for 99% reliability. Finally, ongoing monitoring and maintenance are crucial for long-term success. Regularly review clock-in data to ensure accuracy and compliance with company policies. As your organization evolves, update the bot settings to reflect new schedules or team structures. Provide continuous user support and training, especially when introducing new features or making significant changes, to keep everyone informed and proficient with the system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.